They had nothing free with the polo. No bag or anything.
Really?
Yeah. That's why I always get something. And it's just had a handful of samples and stuff. Did you put the samples that were
Oh, no. Because we wrapped it. I think they're in the... They're in that room, in Lauren's room with the wrap and stuff.
People all the samples. You might like the new...
Did you get a new camera, Codex? I can't take pictures of
The little kid stuff, you don't like anything with learning or legal stuff. It's like, ew, learning. Get it away. Like, that's what I'm cool for. We were gonna get pictures, but we didn't get them in time.
Oh, your shirt. It's in the bag. I didn't know that's what you were looking for. I think it's... I'll get it.
We didn't open our stuff. Okay, Jacob left and we still have presents on the tree. We didn't open our stockings. Okay, what is going on with this madness? God. That boy is obsessed. I don't know any kid on Christmas that go sit on a computer and play. Or he might be, or no, his parents here. I was going to say he might have been playing Xbox games.
Let's see what the $50 helicopter.
Yeah. Yes. Out of like everything. They want the dollar.
No, buddy.
Daddy's